everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I have two more Stranger Things makeup tutorials regarding the four OG original D&D boys. So I already did Lucas and then Dustin. And now I'm going to do a Mike Wheeler inspired makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So before I do the eye look, match this eye look to this over here. I already put my blush on. So for the blush, I used MAC's Friends Don't Lie. If you want a similar blush to this one, it's you got to pick a pink blush, preferably like a bubblegum pink. So I put it on I tried to aim it on the cheekbone area. And then the lip gloss, since his last name is Wheeler, I used Wild Wheeler as a lip gloss, okay? So I did the best I can to remember everything that has to do with just Mike, you know. Mike is played by the gorgeous Finn Wolfhard. Okay, let's see what's going on. I'm trying to think. Okay, I'm gonna find, because I'm gonna go for the Colourpop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go for D&D, of course. So I'm gonna use this fluffy blending brush from Essence. Just gonna... I didn't put any, no concealer, no eyeshadow primer, nothing. So I'm gonna put D&D from Colourpop's times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette on my crease like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna go for, I might as well go for this one. I'm gonna click my Wet n Wild flat shader brush, and I'm gonna take Mike from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use Mike on my lid. It's just like kind of like reddish, orangey, reddish color. I'm just gonna pat that on the lid. And I'm trying to do there's so much information about the movie. I mean, the TV show, good Lord. I'm trying. And I'm trying to aim, if there, I can't even, don't remember any creature specifically attacked Mike. It's too bad I can't do Skull Rock. That's not where, I think it's called the Quarry or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's too bad they didn't have Quarry, the place where, remember he was, the bullies were, I think one of the bullies had Dustin at knife point, and then Mike was, was gonna die for Dustin by jumping off the cliff, and then 11 saved him and stuff like that with her powers, and then she broke one of the brat's arm and all that stuff. Right. So that's Mike on my lid with the flat shader brush by Wet n Wild. Okay. I'm going to take MAC's 217 brush. I'm going to take from the class of 1986 MAC eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take Palace Arcade. I'm going to put it in an outer V, again using Palace Arcade. Actually, I'm going to put it in the outer corner there. How about that? It's a pretty color. It can be difficult to work with. It's not too pigmented all the time. Yeah, I'm just going to go like this. V. I mess up, that's okay. Since tomorrow's Stranger Things Day, I'm going to do Will. That's for sure. Am I going to mess it up? A lot of things to do with Will, creatures, and all this stuff. Okay. That will have to do. Trying to remember everything. Okay, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. I'm gonna take again from class of Max class of 1986 eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take the Surfer Boy Pizza because he went to Surfer Boy Pizza in season 4. So I'm gonna put it on my brow bone and blend it up to the crease. Yeah, it's like, jeez. Okay, I'm just gonna do the best I can to remember everything that has to do with solely with Mike Wheeler. That's it. Oop. Hold on. I don't care. I'm gonna go on with the video. Let's see. See, I'm gonna have to play with this light, guys. I do not care. I'm gonna go on with this video. Come on, man. Okay. All right, I better hurry up. Oh, fudge. Okay. I'm gonna hurry up. Are you serious? Okay. Are you serious? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna hurry up. You know, screw it. I'm gonna continue on with this video. I'll be right back. I'm back. So unfortunately, my little kind of like ring light, it stopped working. I need to charge it, but instead I'm almost done with my eye look, you guys. I had to pause the video. So okay. So I'm gonna take I always use this one, my double-ended steel eyeliner brush. I'm gonna take this flatter side. I'm gonna go back to the Colourpop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. Wait a minute, hold on. I'm gonna take a so trying to, I don't want to go too heavy, so I'm gonna take Palace Arcade from Max class of 1986. I'm gonna put Palace Arcade again. This time I'm gonna take some pencil brush Any pencil brush will do. And I'm not going to try to go through thick. I'm going to line 3/4 of my bottom lash line. Try not to go through too thick. I'm almost done, you guys. And then, last but not least, I will take this this double-ended steel eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna go to the Colourpop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take this flatter side of the brush. I'm gonna put the upside down in the lower inner corner. I don't want to put way too much. And that's it. That's this is the final look. Sorry my ring light is not well charged, but that's okay. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, I plan to do it immediately after this one. All right. Peace out.